guys, my name's Paul Daniel. I have been playing drums for over 25 years, mainly in the rock and metal world, but just lately, within the last year, I have joined a goth rock band called Dampires here in the UK. I proudly endorse Collision Drumsticks, and at present I am using the 2B custom sticks which have my band name and autograph on, so thanks very much. Collision Drumsticks, what can I say about them? Well, they're great. They feel good, they're balanced really well, they just feel good in your hands, they're durable. I have been using them probably for about 6 to 8 of these months now, and I've not even broken one yet, which is unlike me. So they are super strong, super balanced, they are just great to use. On top of that, the customer service is amazing. They keep you in the loop with all things drumstick world and drumming. They answer all your emails, they're very helpful setting things up for you, and obviously when you order your sticks and accessories. And on top of that, there is this massive Collision community where you can, on social media, you can get involved with other drummers in other bands around the world and all help each other out, etc, etc. Really good idea. So super proud to endorse Collision. Go and get yourself a pair. And on that note, they've asked me to do a playthrough, so here it is. Here's my video of myself playing our first single off our new album, Law of the Dampire. The song is called Darkness Becomes Sun. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Fighting for this darkened land. Fight, 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 gonna kill me. Dampire with mortal being. Fight, 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 gonna kill me. My blood remains. When darkness becomes sun, you regret what you have done. Dear Lord, what have we done to the creatures of the night? When darkness becomes sun, the providers of the night. When darkness becomes sun, the slaughter wins the fight. We'll be fighting in this hologram. Fight, 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 gonna kill me. Dampire with mortal being. Fight, 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 gonna kill me. My blood remains. When darkness becomes sun, you regret what you have done. Dear Lord, what have we done to the creatures of the night? When darkness becomes sun, the providers of the night. When darkness becomes sun, the slaughter wins the fight. When the dampires rule the earth, they will roam free in a territory. They will kill the beast, torture the orcs, and slay the demons. creatures of the night.